Hey, this is David and from the True Blue Sand blog again, and we're going to talk about cleaning up after your pets today. Susan and I have been fostering Schipperkes for many years, and if you foster dogs or have your own pet dogs, you're going to be cleaning up puddles. And what we found early on was that you buy commercial cleaners. They cost a lot of money, and they usually have a pretty strong odor with them. They put scents in them to smell piney fresh or whatever, and the smell can be overwhelming. We really don't want any scent in our stuff. And it's really simple to make your own pet puddle cleaner. It's mostly water. So take your bottles and just fill them up, half full. Very simple what you do. You need just a little bit of soap in it. Fill it about half full with water. There we go. A little more than that one. Okay, so you put your water in, and we use Dawn. Dawn is a really good detergent cleaner. You don't want a heck of a lot. You put in too much, and you get a bunch of suds on the floor that are hard to wipe up. You want a little more than you'd need just to break the surface tension of water, but it doesn't take much. Just a good squirt like that. And then the real trick is alcohol. You can get 70% or 91% isopropyl alcohol at the drugstore, and add a pretty good shot of that to it. And alcohol lifts salts. There's going to be salt in pet urine. So you give each of those a pretty good shot of alcohol, and that helps pull that pet urine up off the floor. And another thing you can do with this, take your 91% alcohol and put it in a squirter just full strength. And if they hit fabric, like say the side of your easy chair, if somebody sprays the side of your recliner, after you've cleaned it with this stuff, go back and hit it 2 or 3 times with the 91% alcohol. Give it a quick soap with that, and then daub it out, and that will pull the water out that you just put in it, plus any remaining pet urine. And when you're done with that, it'll be nearly dry, and it dries really quickly. So the 91% alcohol is really handy if you've got fabric that the dogs mark on. So you give it a quick shake. Now if you want to enhance that a little more, that's basic cleaner. Now if you want to go a little more, we use enzyme cleaner in it. It doesn't take much, just a little dollop of enzyme in each of those, and that can be, that can be a really good addition to your mix. It doesn't take a heck of a lot, just a couple tablespoons in each one. So that's an enhancement. Just basically the dish soap and a good shot of alcohol is the basic mix. If you want to add enzyme cleaner to it, that makes it a little better. And if you want scent, Susan likes to put 2 or 3 drops of mint in these. You barely get any smell out of it, but it has a nice smell. It doesn't have a chemical smell to it, but that's not necessary. But that's your basic mix: water, a little bit of dish detergent, a good shot of alcohol, a little enzyme cleaner if you want that, and that will save you a bunch of bucks. And of course, you'll save your old towels and washcloths and t-shirts. Cut them up into pet puddle rags. Keep them washed and on hand, so when you get a puddle, you can go soak it up and then clean it. Very easy to do, and animal. She likes to mark them animal cleaner, but we know what those bottles are for. Keep watching our blog. We put up little stories about our skipper key rescues once in a while, and it's a very, very good activity. We really love the skips. See you all later. Thank you for visiting.